On to news just coming in. According to latest satellite images, Iran has moved a mock US aircraft carrier to the strategic Strait of Hormuz. And this likely signals that the Islamic Republic will be using it for target practice for live fire drills. The mock-up aircraft is seen towed by a tugboat near Bandar Abbas, a port city on the southern coast of Iran. One of the images taken on the 26th of July by US-based space technology firm Maxar Technologies showed an Iranian fast attack boat moving towards the model US carrier in that strategic waterway. Another image showed model planes lined up on the deck of the fake carrier. The use of dummy American warships has become an occasional feature of the training by Iran's Revolutionary Guards and its naval forces. In fact, in February 2015, Iran used a similar simulated US target during its naval war games exercise when Iranian missiles hit a mock-up resembling a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. Tehran opposes the presence of the US and Western navies in the Gulf. It frequently holds naval war games in the strategic strait. This channel is vital to the world oil's exports, with some 30% of all crude and other oil liquids traded by sea. The US Navy has reacted to this development. In a statement, the spokeswoman for the US Navy's Bahrain-based Fifth Fleet said, and I'm quoting now, "We cannot speak to what Iran hopes to gain by building this mock-up or what tactical value they would hope to gain by using such a mock-up in a training or offensive exercise scenario. We remain confident in our naval forces' ability to defend themselves against any maritime threat." Tensions have been on the rise between Iran and the US since 2018, when US President Donald Trump withdrew from Iran's 2015 nuclear deal with six powers and reimposed sanctions that sharply dropped Tehran's oil exports. Iran's guards in April said Tehran would destroy US warships if its security is threatened in the Gulf. Iranian officials have repeatedly threatened to block Hormuz if Iran is not able to export oil or if its nuclear sites are attacked. A new biography of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex offers insight into what led the couple